How's it going, everybody? One of the most important aspects to your cyber liability insurance policy is the Ransomware Payment Provision. This coverage addresses how the insurance company will handle ransom payments made by your business in the event of a ransomware attack. This coverage may also be referred to as the cyber extortion costs or cyber extortion expenses payment provision. There are two primary approaches to handling the ransom payment: reimbursement-based and pay on behalf of. With the first, a reimbursement-based payment provision, you, the insured, the policyholder, are responsible for first paying the ransom to the cybercriminals out of your own funds. After paying the ransom, you would then file a claim with the insurance company to then seek reimbursement for that ransom payment and any other extortion expenses that you may have had to pay out of pocket. The insurance company then assesses this claim, and if it's approved, then reimburses you. Another thing to note, this ransom payment is also subject to the policy limits. So that's an important thing to remember as well. So again, in the reimbursement-based payment provision, you, the insured, carry the immediate financial burden and potentially run the risk of non-reimbursement if your claim's denied or there's a delay with the insurance company. The second form of coverage is the pay on behalf ransomware payment provision. Under this form of coverage, the insurance company takes a more proactive approach in handling the ransomware incident. So when the ransomware attack occurs, the insurance company directly negotiates and pays the ransom directly to the cybercriminals on your behalf. So you are then not responsible for making that payment out of your own funds. This obviously reduces the immediate financial strain on your business. And another extremely important aspect is it allows the insurance company to negotiate directly on your behalf with those cybercriminals. So this could lead to potentially lower ransom payments compared to what you would have had to pay if you were negotiating independently. These cyber insurance companies have specific trained attorneys that specialize in this type of ransom negotiation. So allowing them to be put fully to use with this coverage also allows them to have their financial interests directly tied to negotiating the ransom payment down. Also, when there is a cyber attack going on, there's a lot of moving parts. With the pay on behalf coverage, you can focus on other aspects of incident response and recovery and just general business functions while the insurance company manages the ransom payment aspect of everything. Personally, I always recommend that my clients go with the pay on behalf coverage. It can be a bit more expensive for obvious reasons, but it provides you that immediate financial relief. And again, allows the insurance company to handle all of those negotiations on your behalf. And this will typically expedite the entire process as well. Overall, every insurance company and policy has its own forms and coverages. So it's important to work with your agent to make sure that you understand the coverage you have in place. And if you have any questions about your cyber liability insurance, please feel free to reach out. We'd love the opportunity to help.